Dradis version 4.9 comes with several new updates and features. We'll talk about 3 of them here. First, liquid dynamic content in Word and HTML reports. Do you want to refer to document properties like Dradis client inside of a content block? Do you want to show the count of evidence inside the text of an issue? Do you want to use conditionals like if this property is French, export this issue in French instead of English? Now you can. So Liquid is the language you'll be using inside of your Dradis project to accomplish this. I showed you a few examples here, but if you head over to our documentation to get the specifics on how to implement this on the Dradis project side of things, it will export as plain text into your Word reports, so no updates are needed on that template side. Second, better filters in Word templates. We now have 2 more filtering options available in Word. Filters with spaces and filters on nodes. Filters with spaces now means you can use double quotes in both field names and filter values. For example, you can now filter by CVSS v3 base score, but with spaces, or you can filter by values like category values with spaces in them. You can also filter nodes by node properties. For example, if you have a node property for the type with values of internal or external, you can now filter the node content control by type internal to only see content for those internal nodes. Third and finally, DuoWeb and ServiceNow support in the Integration and Tools Manager. We've changed the way our integrations work, so you can now install DuoWeb and ServiceNow right in the integration and the UI of the Dradis app. No need to use the command line to install two-factor authentication. You can also configure Duo and ServiceNow as well as integrations like Azure DevOps right in the Integration Manager. Dradis version 4.9 comes with many more updates, bug fixes, and new features. Head over to the Dradis Users Portal, check out the full release notes, and download your upgrade file there.